Hi, I'm Brendan Hill and I'm a teacher here at the Gordon TAFE, and I teach the Certificate 3 and 4 in commercial pastry cooking. And I've been here for approximately 42 years. I became an apprentice actually at the Gordon College here. Every TAFE college in Australia was told to hire apprentices in their trade areas. So I was the lucky person to get the job here at the Gordon. So I did my apprenticeship actually at the Gordon, which was fantastic. And it was during that time when I came back to visit my teachers, they actually suggested to me, Brendan, we really believe you'd be a fantastic teacher with your experience and your passion and everything. And the best part I enjoyed about the industry was actually the teaching, when I was teaching the students how to do things for functions and stuff. So why not do it? So that's how I kind of got into it. That was 42 years ago. What makes a good teacher is probably, you've got to have a zest for life. You have to love people. You really have to invest in young people. You try to find a way. You build a bridge between the information and the student. They're all different. I think that's what a great teacher does. They constantly trying to find a way to bridge that gap. Great teachers are great learners. It's always a challenge. I like to learn things which are interesting and challenging. That's what we do. I'd just love to see that aha moment when your student's been struggling with something and all of a sudden the penny drops. And that aha moment is, we treasure that. And we get them every day, and it just keeps us coming back every day. It's wonderful.